Does time exist?
The question of whether time exists is a profound and complex one that has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. The nature of time has been debated extensively, with various theories and perspectives offering different answers.
Let's delve into some key ideas to explore this fascinating question.
Philosophical perspectives: presentism versus
eternalism.
Presentism. This view holds that only the present moment exists. The past is gone, and the future has not yet come into existence.
According to presentism, time is a series of now
moments that we experience sequentially.
Eternalism. Eternalists argue that past, present, and future events are equally real.
Time is viewed as a dimension similar to space, where all points in time coexist simultaneously. This perspective suggests that time is like a block where every moment exists at once. Scientific perspectives: Newtonian time. In classical mechanics, time is considered absolute and universal.
According to Sir Isaac Newton, time flows at a constant rate,
independent of the observer's state of motion or the events taking place. Relativity and time. Albert Einstein's theories of relativity revolutionized our understanding of time.
According to the theory of special relativity,
time is relative and can vary, depending on the speed at which an observer is moving.
As an object approaches the speed of light, time for that object slows down,
relative to a stationary observer.
This phenomenon is known as time dilation. In general relativity, gravity also affects time. Near a massive object, such as a planet or a star, time runs slower,
compared to a region with weaker gravitational fields. This concept is known as gravitational time dilation. Quantum mechanics and time. Quantum mechanics introduces further complexity to the nature of time.
Some interpretations suggest that at a fundamental level, time might not be a continuous flow,
but rather discrete, like individual frames in a movie. The psychological experience of time. Human perception of time is subjective,
and can vary based on various factors, such as attention, emotions, and activities. For example, time seems to pass quickly when we are engaged in enjoyable activities,
but drags on during periods of boredom. Philosophical implications.
The question of whether time truly exists has significant implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. If time is an illusion or merely a construct of human consciousness, it challenges our perceptions of reality, causality, and the nature of existence itself. Conclusion: the existence of time remains a deeply complex and debated topic. While scientific theories provide frameworks to understand how time behaves
under different conditions, philosophical perspectives challenge us to reconsider the very nature of time. Ultimately, the question of whether time exists may remain an open and intriguing mystery, inviting further exploration and contemplation. Emergent time. Thermodynamics and entropy.
One way to approach the concept of time is through thermodynamics, specifically the second law of thermodynamics,
which states that the total entropy disorder of an isolated system can never decrease over time. This gives us a directionality to time, often referred to as the arrow of time.
In this context, time emerges from the progression of states from less probable,
ordered to more probable disordered. Time as an emergent property.
Some theories propose that time might be an emergent property, rather than a fundamental aspect of the universe.
For instance, in certain quantum gravity theories, time could arise from more basic, timeless laws of physics. In this view, time emerges
as a macroscopic property from the interactions of more fundamental elements.
Cosmological perspectives. The Big Bang and cosmic time.
The concept of cosmic time emerges from the Big Bang theory, where time started approximately 13.8 billion years ago with the birth of the universe. The expansion of the universe provides a framework for measuring cosmic time, and the evolution of the universe gives us a chronological timeline of events.
The multiverse and time.
In some multiverse theories, our universe is just one of many, each with its own laws of physics and potentially its own version of time.
This raises the question of whether time is a universal constant, or if it varies across different universes. Time and consciousness. Psychological time. Time as experienced by humans can vary greatly, depending on individual perception.
Psychological studies show that our sense of time can be influenced by numerous factors,
such as attention, emotional state, and cognitive load.
For example, a period of intense focus or enjoyment can seem to pass quickly, while a period of boredom or discomfort can seem to drag on.
The role of memory. Our perception of time is also deeply connected to memory. The ability to recall past events and anticipate future ones shapes our experience of the present. Memory allows us to construct a personal timeline, providing a sense of continuity and identity. Theoretical physics and time, loop quantum gravity and time. Loop quantum gravity (LQG) is a theory that attempts to merge quantum mechanics and general relativity. In LQG, time is not a continuous variable, but rather consists of discrete quanta of time. This implies that at a fundamental level, time may not be smooth but rather granular. String theory and time. String theory, another attempt to unify the fundamental forces of nature, posits that the universe is composed of one-dimensional strings, rather than point particles. In some versions of string theory, time is one of many dimensions, potentially leading to different ways time could be experienced or perceived. Philosophical speculations. Time is a human construct. Some philosophers argue that time might be a construct of human consciousness, created to make sense of the sequence of events. In this view, time does not exist independently of our perception, but is a mental framework that helps us organize our experiences. The illusion of time. Philosophers like Immanuel Kant suggested that time is a form of intuition, a way in which our minds structure sensory input. Similarly, some modern thinkers propose that time might be an illusion, a byproduct of our cognitive processes rather than an intrinsic aspect of reality. Conclusion. The exploration of whether time exists leads us through diverse fields of inquiry, from philosophy and psychology to physics and cosmology. Each perspective offers unique insights and raises further questions. Whether time is a fundamental aspect of the universe, an emergent phenomenon, or an illusion created by human consciousness, it remains one of the most intriguing and profound mysteries we continue to explore. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.